Firebase is a powerful backend platform by Google that simplifies app development with features like authentication, databases, and cloud storage. No backend setup needed. In my last video, I mentioned a Firebase plugin. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use it to authenticate your game. Unlike the manual method, this plugin eliminates the need for VA REST and drastically reduces the number of nodes required. After downloading the Firebase plugin, navigate to your project folder. Inside that folder, create a new folder named Plugins. Next, paste the plugin into the Plugins folder. If the plugin is still in a .zip file, unzip it first, then delete the zip file to keep things organized. Once you've added the plugin, start your Unreal Engine project. Next, go to the Edit tab and select Plugins. Under the Project category, look for Online. You should see the Firebase plugin enabled. If it's not, go ahead and enable it. Now, open Project Settings, scroll down to Plugins, and click on Firebase Plugin Settings. In the API key field, paste your Firebase Web API key, and you can find this by going to Firebase Project Overview and then Project Settings, and that's it. The plugin is now ready to use. Alright, so I'm going to use the Firebase plugin to update the old login project. Since we're switching to this new plugin, we no longer need the VA REST plugin, so we'll be deleting every node associated with it. With the Firebase plugin, each authentication feature will be handled by calling the appropriate function. To do this, simply right-click in the event graph, go through the executable actions list, and look for the Firebase Actions category, where you'll find all the functions you need. If you don't see the Firebase Actions category, try this. Go to your project's plugin section. Disable the Firebase plugin. Restart your project. Enable the plugin again. Re-enter your API key and start the process from the beginning. This should refresh the plugin and make the Firebase Actions category appear. Each function comes with on-success and on-error delegate events. These events allow you to access the data returned by Firebase. To use them, just create a custom event for each delegate and name it whatever you like. This step is mandatory. If you don't set up these events, your project won't run properly. Alright, for the rest of the video, I'll give you a quick look at how the Firebase plugin simplifies authentication by reducing the number of nodes, making the process much cleaner and easier to follow.